Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a beautiful chocolate brownie. This is a very simple recipe. It's only got a few ingredients and here they are. Start by melting the butter on the stove or in the microwave and then pour it over the chocolate. You need to mix this into the chocolate until you get a nice smooth consistency. Now you need to set it aside while we make the meringue. Into a bowl I'm placing the egg whites in and we're going to whisk this to a soft peak. And now we're going to transfer the egg whites into a separate bowl, and there's no need to wash your mixing bowl because we're going to add the egg yolks and the sugar, and we want to beat this until it's nice, soft and pale, and it can take up to 2 to 3 minutes. And now it's time to add our chocolate mixture into the egg and sugar, and we want to gently beat this now, not too much, and then we're going to fold it into our meringue very gently, adding the almond meal and combining nice and evenly before we start to pour it into our tray. Now everything is well combined, I'm going to place it into the tray. I have lined it with greaseproof paper, and just make sure whatever tray you're using, you only fill it halfway. Into the oven now at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. Now once it comes out of the oven, you want to let it set in the tray to cool down before removing. Gently lift it up with the parchment paper and lay it onto the cooling rack. Now it's slightly warm. It is delicious with vanilla bean ice cream served as a dessert, but if you just want it in your lunchbox or whatever, or an afternoon treat, it's a perfect combination. And to finish off, it's just a nice idea to sprinkle some cocoa powder over the top or some drinking chocolate. If you want to keep this gluten-free, then I would choose a gluten-free chocolate powder. And I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Check me out on Facebook and Twitter, and let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts, but until next time, have yourselves a fantastic week. Take care.